Okay, gonna make a cup of coffee. You want this thing in the blue zone here. That's the right temperature for it to melt the oil, the coffee grounds. I have here my squirrel cup. It says it's nuts about you. Making a pour over, so I put this on here. Now normally you'd use a filter. I'm out of filters and it's way too cold outside to go get new filters. So here's a little life hack. You can just use a paper towel. Don't judge me. It works fine. I have 2 scoops of coffee in my grinder. My makeshift filter here doesn't really want to stay put, but after we pour those in there, I can just grab my little scoop, push it down, make a little dip in there, and then you want to do the bloom pour. So the bloom pour is where you just get the grounds a little bit wet, and that sort of takes the air out of there. You let that sit for maybe about 30 seconds while all the air bubbles disappear, and after that you're ready to go. And so you can see there's a couple of bubbles in there. They'll slowly go away, and again, usually people go about 30 seconds or so, and for me maybe that's close enough. And you just want to go in slow steady circles around the outside of your grounds until you have a full cup of coffee. And that is how you make pour over coffee.